Hello friends, this video is for mechanical students and who doing job in mechanical field. Here are some basic terms, equation, units and you should know if you are related to mechanical field. Force, energy, work done, power, torque, relation between power and torque, and pressure. Let us start with force. The force is equal to push or pull on object with mass that causes change in velocity to accelerate. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. F is equal to m into acceleration a, where mass as a unit of kg and acceleration as unit of meter per second square, also called Newton in SI units. Now second, energy or work done. Work done is equal to displacement of any object due to force. So we are taking any object, if we apply force, it has some displacement. So work done is equal to force into displacement x. So force as a unit of Newton, displacement in meter. It is also called joule in SI units. Now third, power. So power is equal to work done per time taken for that work done. So work done as a unit of joule and time in second. It's also called watt in SI units. Now for torque. Torque is equal to twisting force that causes rotation about any axis. Let us consider an axis O. Let's take any lever. If we apply force on this point of lever having a length of R, so torque on this lever, we can write torque is equal to F into R into angle between force and lever, sin theta. So force as unit of Newton and lever having length in meter. Now fifth, relation between power and torque. So relation between power and torque is given by equation P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60, where T is equal to power in watt, torque Newton into meter, and N in RPM. This equation is widely used in calculation and also for selecting motor, that we discuss in our next video. Now at last, pressure. Pressure is equal to force apply perpendicular, force apply perpendicular to surface of object per unit area. So pressure is equal to force per area. Force as a unit of Newton, area we are taking in meter square. We can also write it Pascal in SI units. Friend, pressure has a various unit. Also we can write in bar, 10 raised to 5 bar is equal to 1 Pascal, whereas bar in kg per centimeter square. Generally, atmospheric pressure is measured in psi. Atmospheric pressure is around 14.17 psi. So what is psi? So psi is equal to 1 by 14.5 bar. So friends, here you will see pressure has a various unit you can use for your calculation. In our next video, we will find cylinder pressure or how to find the force of cylinder and how to select a motor. Thank you.